Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim assalatu wassalamu alayka ya rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya habiballah. Dear children and their parents, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is do not backbite. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, La taghtabul muslimin, means do not backbite Muslims. To insult someone by mentioning their hidden fault which they do not want others to know is considered backbiting. Dear children, backbiting is a terrible habit that affects your relationship with Allah and people. Backbiting hurts people's feelings. Allah Azza wa Jal does not like backbiting at all. The good deeds of the one who backbites are given to the one he is backbiting. If you refrain from backbiting now, you will find it easier to stay away from it and other sins when you are older. You will also find it easier to perform good deeds. Dear children, never backbite about someone else. It is the act of bad children. Here are some common examples of backbiting amongst children. He stole my sweets and ate them. He is a naughty child. He talks bad of me to his mother. He always loses his pencils. The teacher scolded him yesterday. He stole money from his dad's pocket. His mother beat him a lot that day. And many more examples of backbiting. May Allah Almighty grant us ability to refrain from backbiting and other sins. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.